guys, welcome back. The truth is that I am always so warm and fuzzy when it comes to buy local, cook local, because every week on the show, there's a new product that there's a local distributor, local manufacturer coming up with their own little product and bottling it. And it's really heartwarming for me, because I remember when we started this segment, Marilla told me that I don't know how long the segment can go, because there may be only so many local artisans. And apparently there are a lot of local artisans being encouraged to do their own thing. Ultimate Flavorz is a new brand of pepper sauce, basically, but it's not just pepper sauce, it's flavored pepper sauce. The lady behind it is Tamia Griffith, and she's here with me this morning. Tamia, where did this brainstorm hit you? Because you're not just doing pepper sauces, but you're doing different flavors of pepper sauce. Tell me all about it.
Well, it really started for me when I was preparing for a mission trip to Dominica after the hurricane hit them. And I wanted really to carry something that was representative of Trinidad and Tobago, my homeland. So I decided to use my grandmother's recipe taught to me by my stepdad. And I made a few bottles and I carried with me on this mission trip. However, I was so excited, I had some left over. So I decided to distribute it to family and friends. And I started, and I got really positive feedback. And I attended the markets, the artisan markets, and the response was really good. So I decided to look into manufacturing and processing. And I even enlisted myself in one of Karuri's program in order to really standardize the recipe and make sure that I meet all the requirements. So that's really how it started for me.
So it was a family recipe?
Yes, it was.
And still is a family recipe, or you've tweaked it? Tamia tweaked it.
Well, actually, our original recipe is the recipe that was taught to me by my stepdad.
Right, this is the original pepper sauce.
Right, that is the original home-style pepper sauce. And the pimento is one that kind of came to me as I began playing around with the recipes, and then ginger spice. Our ginger spice recipe and our pimento fusion recipes are those that I have tweaked as I have gone along.
So this is ginger spice?
Yes.
A pepper sauce, but it's ginger?
Yes.
As in fresh ginger?
All our ingredients are fresh, local ingredients. We have no artificial flavoring, preservatives, or coloring in our product.
How hot is this?
I would recommend, if you are not a pepper sauce person, this one you could start with.
Oh, so it's not very hot?
It's not very hot. What I've realized over the time I've been in business is that people don't really want a hot pepper sauce. They want a mildly flavored pepper sauce with a lots of flavor. So that's what this is.
That's me.
Okay.
I don't want the pepper to burn me to the point where I'm not tasting the food.
Exactly.
So is this what?
That is exactly what you're going to have.
Ooh. Is this it in terms of, or are you thinking of experimenting with different flavors, because it is Ultimate Flavorz?
Right. What I have started with the pepper sauce. However, I'm now looking at doing some jam recipes. So we have jam also coming out. Right now I have a pumpkin ginger jam. I have a pepper jelly jam. I do guava, pineapple, and I'm also looking to do sweet potato jam.
Whoa, so it's going to be Ultimate Flavorz, peppers, and jams.
And jams, and maybe who knows what in the future.
No, I like that, I like that. So what's the great thing about Buy Local, Cook Local is that, yes, the products are on showcase, but all the artisans also bring recipes and show us how the products can be used. To me, has brought, this looks like chicken.
Yes, it is.
What is it?
It's Ultimate Flavorz spicy ginger pineapple chicken.
So that's the ginger. That's the ginger.
Yes, we incorporated the ginger pepper sauce in this recipe.
All right, so it's a pineapple chicken.
Yes.
Kicked up all different types of ways here.
Yeah.
And this is a salad?
This is our Ultimate Flavorz bean with corn spicy salad.
All right, so I'm going to go brave here. As I said, spice, I don't want it burning me. So I'm putting you to the test here.
Okay, no problem.
Now, one of the great things about this is that it is available only in the markets now. How can you get it?
Well, right now we are at the NAFDEFCO markets, particularly the Bacoya market, and also the Port of Spain Queen's Park Savannah Market every other Saturday and at the McCoy every Sunday. We are also offering our products to customers. If they're interested in purchasing a case, they could reach out to us on our social media via Facebook and Instagram, and we'll kindly deliver our products to them.
Home delivery?
Home delivery.
Home delivery. That's a good thing. So as I say, if I miss you at the market, I can call, place an order, tell you I want 3 each, how much, and you will deliver.
We deliver.
We deliver home to me. This is very good. So I'm tasting a little kick.
Okay.
But not
too much.
No, and I'm tasting the bean salad. Whatever dressing. Did you use the dressing to make?
We made our dressing. So our dressing is apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt to taste, ultimate flavors, pimento sauce.
Right. So the dressing is made with with the pepper. Nice. Ultimate flavors, guys. Throw out a number where people can reach you if it is that they want to reach you. You want to throw out a number?
Sure.
Or social
the number
media?
is 731-4543.
4543. Tamia, I want to thank you very much. Ultimate Flavorz, Tamia Griffith, one of the local artisans. And in, how long have you been doing it, Tamia?
Just over a year.
Just over a year?
Yeah.
So as I said, this is real heartwarming for us here at Cup of Joe, because these local artisans keep popping up, trying their hands at different things. Tamia only just getting started. Her line of pepper sauce, flavored pepper sauce, and now upcoming soon.
Jams.
Flavored jams. Could that have a little kick in the jams?
Oh, maybe. Who knows?
Yeah. Family's a pepper family. Tamia, thank you very much for being here.
No problem. Thanks so much for having me.
Go and check it out. All the different markets that she mentioned. Ultimate Flavorz. Try your hand at this pepper sauce. Once you're Trini, you know you have that little desire for a little kick. And flavored pepper sauce. Ginger spice is very, very nice. Try it out. Ultimate Flavorz, guys. We're taking a short break. When we come back, we jump inside Moy's gluten-free kitchen right here on A Cup of Joe.